Welcome to another episode of Lateetud Automation Minute. Today, I'm going to talk about automation debt. The more commonly discussed form of debt in this context is technical debt. Technical debt is incurred when development teams take actions to expedite the delivery of a feature or even a product in a suboptimal way to meet a deadline. When automation opportunities are identified and not delivered, they become automation debt. I would even add that processes that have not even been assessed or prioritized can also be considered automation debt. In the last decade or so, automation has emerged as one of the most impactful drivers for accelerated business transformation. Despite these proven credentials, there are a lot of barriers to large-scale adoption of hyperautomation. And there are many barriers. Lack of enterprise-wide automation strategy, lack of knowledge of the use cases and their benefits, the fear that humans will lose control on jobs, accuracy issues and data security issues and things like that. And of course, there is technical debt in the enterprise. Many IT leaders consider paying the technical debt first before adopting automation. We think this is a very misinformed approach. Remember, technical debt is often the result of deliberate decision making based on various factors considered prudent at some point in time. In many cases, organizations that have technical debt can live with it for long periods of time without significant impact to their market competitiveness. We at Lateetud have been helping our customers over the last 5 years or so adopt, build, and scale automation programs. There is a significant opportunity cost to not automating. The risks and costs of waiting to automate processes far outweigh any perceived benefits of waiting for other initiatives to complete. When your competition has already automated such processes to get ahead, it directly affects your market viability. There is inevitable and constant change happening in any organization anyway. So automating your business processes as early as possible is a competitive advantage to your business, plain and simple. The argument here is that any new or changing process should be designed with automation first approach. And every executive sponsor, business leader, and automation program leader should align on the priority and urgency of automation in helping the business meet its near and long-term benefits. This image indicates that rather than waiting for a system change or a process change before going through the automation, often leads to lower cost saving and agility. Another important point to note here is that sometimes automations can actually reduce technical debt by avoiding API-based integration, introducing greater levels of security and audit trail, and by providing end-to-end reporting without changes to the core system. In short, automation last mentality may not be the best option for an organization if there is significant technical debt and system and process changes are long-term and complex. That leaves the organization with limited options. Thank you.